In this video, I will show you how to fix Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate. There are a few approaches to solving this problem. First and foremost would be by checking updates on the Google Play Store. So what you'll need to do first is to go ahead and head over to the Google Play Store app on your device. If you're using iOS, then you can go ahead and head over into the App Store. And here, go ahead and head over to the search section and search for Phantom Wallet. Now, once you're on the results section, click on Phantom Wallet, and as you can see in here, if you find an update button instead of an open button, go ahead and hit on that and update your Phantom Wallet app. Now, another solution would be through heading over to Phantom Wallet App Info. So click on App Info here. Now in here, go ahead and hit on Clear Data. Go ahead and clear all data and cache of Phantom Wallet on your device and relaunch the app. After that, go ahead and try if that problem still persists. And if it does, you can go ahead and uninstall Phantom Wallet on your device and reinstall it to be able to fix the problem. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.